Okay, so this is an owl on Caterpillar. The actual owl. Here's the P1F. Here's an ambiguous move. RLCO outside the river. RLXD. Dragon rolls over. The 30 rolls over. The proper entry was probably here, maybe 10 cents higher. Came to my attention here as it's crossing the VWAP. So here's the entry short. There's my execution stop. At this point, as it's back to the RL 270, I'm going to move my my execution stop down to here, just above the skin of the dragon. So I'm locking in no lose plus dinner for 2. And now it's just a matter of gravity. So we'll see how that. So I'm going to put my, let's see, edit, green. I'm going to work it down even further. That's nice. It just broke. Now this is nice because this just broke below the open. So this is, all of this is now negated. St. Robert of Gardner would say candle negation. And so now the next target is down here. I'm adding the second position now. And I'll use the same, I will use the same execution stop. So 2 scoops on cat. So that is 104.75. Okay, Jack, that's good.